It's your girl Avi again, and I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to do a review on my Boxycharm and the lippies I get every month. So if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. You pay $21 a month. You get basically like either 4 to 5 full makeup products. It could be either makeup, it could be skincare. What else? Sometimes you get brushes, but you just never know. So that's the Boxycharm one. If you guys are interested in getting the Boxycharm, which is this one, I will link the website on the description box, or in the description box, along with the lippies. So the lippies is by Liveglam, and I don't want to show everything, but Liveglam, I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyways, so Liveglam. So I get those also every month, and I believe these are $19.99 a month. Then you get 3 lipsticks, or lipsticks. One of the reasons I got the lippy was because of the lippy subscription, Liveglam subscription, or whatever you want to call it, is because of my sister. So my sister is the one that actually told me about the Liveglam, and because Let's Do Makeup is actually one of the girls that actually is in the Liveglam and actually comes up with her lippies as well. If like, I don't know if it's every month. I don't think it's every month. Every month is somebody different, but because of that, I actually started getting the lippies every month. Let's Do Makeup is also a YouTuber slash, she's on Facebook. She's always live, and so she does a lot of makeup videos. So if you guys want to check her out too, I will put her one of her videos or her page in the description box, as well as for my sister's, because she also started her YouTube channel. So her YouTube channel will also be on the description box. But anyways, so as you guys can tell, I did open the lippy. See? So I did open it. I did see the colors already, but I have not tried them on. So maybe I could try that on with you guys right now. Maybe I could just watch them or whatnot, okay? Now for my Boxycharm, I did not. It's actually still sealed. I didn't even open it. I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and do a review on just, the products that are in here, or just open them with you guys, just so that you guys can see what comes in the actual box, and what you can actually look forward to. Every time that you get a box, it's actually different. Everything is different. So this August box, same with the lippies, the Liveglam lippies, they're also August. So I'll start off with the box. So let me go ahead. Hold on, tengo que buscar algo.
One eternity later.
I just need something to open this, but excuse my mess. You might see my blanket on the back. I did not do my bed today. I don't do it all the time, so it's okay. Me paro en chinga to get ready. So I literally am like running like crazy in the morning.
I'm late. For a very important date. No time to say hello, goodbye. I'm late.
Because I wake up in la mera hora to go to work. So, excuse my bed. Alright, so when you get the box, it's like this. See it. It's like this. Look at the stuff. And you get like a little, how would I call this? Like a content card. So it tells you what's in the box and how much it actually the products retail for. So this time we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stuff. So let's go ahead and look at that. Alright, we're gonna start with this one. So we got the Big Ego by Tarte, and it's a mascara. And it's in black. I think I got it backwards, maybe not. No, if you guys can see it, it's in black. Honestly, I haven't even heard of this eyeshadow. Oy burra. I haven't heard of this mascara. Maybe I'm a little behind. I don't know. But I can't wait to try it. Let me see. Vamos a abrirlo. A ver qué tiene esto. Backwards. And then once I open it, it says it only lasts 6 months. Ooh, look at this. Super cute. Cute. Is it backwards? Oh yeah. Super cute. A ver, vamos a ver. Like everything's pink and then it goes black. Ooh. You see that? Yeah. Can't wait to try it. Alright, so that's this. That's the mascara. So now the mascara, the Big Eagle mascara. So the Tarte Big Eagle mascara, it retails for $23. So that's already a little bit more than what I already paid for the whole actual box. So the whole subscription. So yeah. So it's pretty good. I believe you can get products maybe a little bit, what is it? Over $100, I believe, of products, and you only pay $21. So that's not bad. All right. So then we got the Becca. I never used Becca before. First time. And this is the Hydra Mist Set and Refresher Powder. Okay. No sé si lo pueden ver, but alright, let me open it first. And then I'll tell you how much it retails for. Ooh. I'm getting fancy. Okay, girl. Ooh, I like this. Man, it also says it's after you open it, it expires in 6 months. So if you guys don't know when your makeup expires, it tells you right here in that little like a little container with a tapadera, like a little top, and it says 6 and then the M's, that means 6 months. So yeah, so you have that much to actually use this powder or makeup or whatnot, whatever product you have. I'm not gonna open it because I'm not gonna use it anytime soon. Well, at least not right now. So that's that. All right, so that powder, the Becca powder, the Hydra Mist and Refresher powder, retails for $39.
What?
Excuse me. That's a lot. All right. Now we have the Steve Laurent. What is this? Please hold y'all. Oh, it is a lip liner. So it's like a brownish. It's like a brownish metallic color. Maybe bronze. I might be blind. I might not know what the hell the color is, but to me it looks brown. Oh, it's not even metallic. It just looks metallic. So it's like a brown lip liner. Okay. And this is Steve Laurent. So that lip liner retails for $15. Are you gonna pay $15 for a damn lip liner? I haven't used lip liner in a while. Like I used lip liner and I think I bought it at Sephora, but I don't even know what it is. I think it's a Sephora brand. I don't remember the color though. And I think it was a sample. That must have cost me like $7. No, $5. 5, 7, something like that. Maybe I might be exaggerating, but it was that much. That's the most I paid for a lip liner. Right, so this is a duo. It is the Ace. Oh, not this. I got an extra item in there. Oh, okay. All right, so I got a duo. It's the Ace Butte Glimmer Shadow. So those are like metallic shadows. Let me show you one first. So it's this one. This one. I like the little packaging. It's like pink. And this one's in cotton candy. So if you guys are interested in buying it separately, you know, if you're not subscribed to Boxycharm, you can definitely buy it on its own. And then here's the other one. And this one's called Iced Latte. So I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope you guys can. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. Oh, it's nice and creamy. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. So this one's the iced latte, and that's how it looks on my hand. So that's one. It's like very shimmery. And then we have, ooh, creamy. Ooh, it looks nice. Okay. Give me like a mermaid vibe. Okay. So that's this one. So it looks on the finger. And that's how it looks on my skin. On my hand. These are cute. I'm not, oh, they look like highlighters. But they're not. They're cute. They are cute. Alright. So that was that. So the eyeshadows, they retail for $25. Yeah, $25. So that right there is, why didn't get 6? Well, if you count the other one, yeah, it's 6, but it's together, so it's like they count it as one. So yeah, I do have one more thing. So it's the Wander, the Glow Ahead illuminating oil. So that's this. Now this one expires in 12 months after opening it, so that's not bad. Now I want to open it though because I want to see what the hell it is. Like, I'm not the type to put anything to make my whole skin glow because my skin's already oily. So like the T-zone, I get really oily, like big time. Sometimes even my cheeks. So at some time I'm like, I like this. I have something like this too. It's like a primer. So good. Oh, miren, it's pink. All right, I put a little bit, poquito. It smells like roses. It doesn't smell bad. It smells good. So it's just basically massage, like oil for your face. And it doesn't feel oily, to be honest. It does feel kind of tacky, like pegoste. Not pegoste. I don't know if you ever wash yourself with like that shampoo. I mean, not the shampoo, the soap, the body soap, the spring falls. I don't know what it's called. I think it's a green one, and they also sell it at the dollar store. It's like all green, and it says spring something. You know when you wash yourself and then your skin's like así, like como que se atora? That's how this feels. So I'm a little iffy about this. So that was Boxycharm. I liked it. I'm actually excited for that Becca one because this, I believe this is the first time I received something of Becca. So I'm excited for that. Alright, so the next one is the Liveglam. And it's the lippies. So each month whenever you get your lippies, you always get like a little bolsita. And it's like this. You'd get different colors. Like I have one right over here. I have this one. It's in pink. So last time I got red. I have it over there. I have like a whole bunch of little bolsitas, and I'm just kind of collecting them over there to just, you know, store things or just put my my lipsticks. So yeah. All right. So I didn't, like I said, I already looked at them, but I did not try them. I just looked at them. So this time it is the Liveglam Kiss Me Beauty and the Beats. Beauty and the Beats. Alright, so then they always give you también una tarjeta with like the person that's actually, you know, they came up with these lippies, like the names, the ones that actually, I guess you can say it's like a collaboration with Liveglam. So I'm not sure who that is, but I'm pretty sure you guys will like her colors, and I actually like how her names are. They're really cute. All right, so the first one is called Troublemaker, and it says the 90s called. They want this fierce metallic purple back. This show-stopping lippy is nothing but trouble and will bring out your inner Spice Girl. Okay. Alright, so that's that. And then I'll show you the colors after I'm done with this. Dancing for Dollars. And then this one says, this warm toned red is always out for taking the lead and will make you want to shake that, my bad, shake what your mama gave ya. Alright. And then the last one is called Baile. This chocolate mauve lippy will last all night on the dance floor and make the crowd go crazy. Now you just need some fuego choreography to match. Okay. So yeah. So this is exactly what you get. Obviously they're not always gonna look the same. The cards look totally different. There's always a different person on the front and different colors all the time. Different names and things like that. So yeah, this is what came with that. Alright, so let's go ahead and test these out. So here is Baile. That's how this looks. Look at this. Look how cute that is. It has butterflies and music. And then here's the name. Hope you guys can see that. So that's Baile. Here is Dancing for Dollars. So that's that one. And then here is the name. And then we have that metallic purple I was telling you guys about in the beginning. And this was called Troublemaker. So it's not trouble, it's trouble. Alright, so we're going to swatch this one first. Just want to see how it looks. And you honestly don't need to even like swipe it twice. I just did just to be extra. But I had a lot of product come out, so I really like it. It's cute. Alright, next we are doing Baile. Alright, so we're gonna do next. And this, I don't know what they smell like, but it smells so good. They smell like candy. Just kind of want to distribute the color correctly. And this is a nice chocolate. Alright, and then the last one is Dancing for Dollars. It's like a brick color. It's not super red, but it's like entre like brown and not brown. Well, yeah, kind of has like a little tint of brown or something like that. Maybe. I don't know. It looks like a brick. That's all I know. Very cute. All right, so maybe I should try one on. Just go with it. So for me to try it on, I need a mirror. So. And then shout out to the cousin. She went to Vegas and she got me this little mirror. It's so cute. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I purposely did not put my lipstick on because I wanted to try one of these 3. So I went with the red. It looks cute though. So, like I said, if you guys are interested in the Liveglam lippies, I will leave all of that info under the description box, just so that you guys can go ahead and just check them out. All right, you guys. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys really enjoyed this, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. And go ahead and share this video. This is just, like I said, it's just my opinion on basically the products. I really like them. I mean, I haven't used all of them except for the lipstick right now that I put it on, and then just my swatching and stuff like that. But other than that, I mean, if you guys want to see a look with any of the stuff I got today besides just the lipstick, I can definitely do that. If you guys want to see another video of an unboxing of what I got on the Boxycharm and on the Liveglam, let me know. Tell me down there, so then I can go ahead and do that. We definitely have more videos coming up. Been a little busy just because we have work, so we're trying to, you know, do both at the same time. But yeah, all right, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and thank you for watching. Till next time, bye.